This fall is located near to the gross terminal. If you want to go there, you have to just get out from the ship. Just keep going straight. When you reach near to the railway station, the bigger railway station, just cross that one and you will find this particular waterfall. It's a good hiking place. It's like moderate, I can say, but it will take like 10 to 15 minutes. There's a no extra thingy will be there, so it's a good waterfall, must try when you reach Skagway. Or don't need to do any excursion because it's just a walkable distance. If you are good enough for walking, it's just 15 minutes walking going and 15 minutes coming back, and then you will find this beautiful waterfall. Trust me guys, when you reach there you will definitely cry because this waterfall is amazing. It's a crazy.